Alright, good morning YouTube. What I'm showing you today is my Cold 4 Tanto from Cold Steel. It's an awesome lockback Tanto. Just a beautiful knife. It's an s35vn. It is super sharp, super smooth. I love this knife. Truly do. It's one of the nicest cold steels I have. This was a gift from Steve Guerrero. He gifted it to my channel about 6 months ago, I believe, and I love it. It is a awesome folder, and this is my what's in your pocket. And if you guys get a chance, check out Matt Pearson's channel. He showed his Italian made cold steel this morning in his what's in your pocket, and it's awesome, man. It's really awesome. I would really like to get a cold steel from the Italian side. I think that is so neat. If it's anything like this one, brother, it's jam up. This thing holds a wicked edge, and it is just butter smooth. Everybody stay safe. Man, our weather is horrible in Mississippi today. I wanted to squeeze a few jug killings in, but I may have to do some indoor cut. Hope everybody stays safe out there, man. Let's not forget our vets. 22 a day. Everybody stay safe out there, man.